Hi everyone, this is Sheba. My register is CO15CS219. Here I'm going to explain the sixth exercise, which is the sequence. So using the sequence, I have to solve all the questions. So first, have to evaluate the speed of access using the index by creating an index for the book number attribute, and have to create the sequence for the student register number, and have to generate the primary key. So third question is like have to create a sequence for incrementing the primary key by 10. So have to the fourth question is to evaluate and create the synonym for all the tables. So we'll see the queries. So first we have to create a index. So creating an index on the particular row for particular table. So for that we have to create an index giving some value on the table for the particular row. So for book we are issuing, so then index has been created, and the second question is to create a sequence. So with this, for creating a sequence, so the question number, it is the increment is like the particular increment is 15,680, has been incremented by 1. For the maximum values is like 15,690. So for this you have to create a sequence. So sequence has been created. Then the next question is like incrementing the query, incrementing by 10. So by like comparing it with the maximum value. So for this, like query goes like create sequence to start with the increment, that is which is given in the question. So increment by 10, maximum value as given below. So sequence has been created with the question. All the sequence has been created. So then again comes for the index. So creating an index for the student name for a particular student table. So first we created for the book, and the same repeats over here for student. So then for synonym, the query goes like this. So create public synonym for the table new for the old table. So if we give like this, synonyms also be created. So then have to display all those tables. So for that, that's it. Synonymous has been completed. So now we are going for the VU. VU is nothing but the queries. It's same as the queries. Have to create, update, insert, delete, drop. Everything is same as a queries. So we'll see one by one. So for creating the VU, we are just giving a create. The query goes like this: create VU and the VU name, that is table name, as is mentioned particularly. So then have to select the particular row in the particular column, in the particular table that has to be displayed over here. So then view will be created. So for inserting, that is nothing but insert into a have to give like insert into a table name, their values. So if we give like this, the values will be inserted into the particular table. So replace, for replacing is nothing but have to create or replace the particular table in the particular row, and as what all to be replaced. So have to mentioned here. So we are just mentioning here as book name, price, book number, all those things. So then view has been created. So for dropping nothing but we have to give a drop, and drop view the table name. So if we give, the view will be dropped. That's it. Thank you.